Welcome! In front of me I have SUUNTO 9 watch and I'm gonna show you how to change the straps on this watch. To change the straps, first we need to remove the old ones. And to do it, grab your watch, flip it around, and on the back of the watch you will see that on the straps you have this kind of lever basically, and you can pull it. So to remove the strap, you pull on this lever, and once you pull on it, it will release the pin, and then you can remove the strap. Right. Let's do the second one. So pull on the lever and remove the strap, like this. So here we have our watch, and here we have our straps. And the way the lever works is basically if you pull on it, it hides the pin, and the pin is locked in this hole right here on the watch. So if it hides it, it releases the pin and you can remove the strap. Okay, and now let's say you have the new straps and you want to put them back on. You take a strap, put one side of the one pin in the hole, then pull on the lever, align it with the other hole and release it, and it should grab. Sometimes it's a bit wonky, but let's try from this side, basically like this. Align it, and oh, I was pretty sure it's holding. Try again. Okay, and now it's holding. Okay, so this one, you put the pin in the hole on this side, pull on the lever, align the other side, release the pin rather, and it's gonna lock in like this. Okay, and that's how you change the straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.